Today we'll be installing the LED light bar kit. This kit consists of an LED light bar, 4 button head screws, 4 washers, a connector kit, 2 rubber washers, 2 brackets, and 2 nuts. Please note for this kit you'll need 2 LED light bars. The tools required for this kit are the T30 Torx bit, 4mm Allen head, 7/16 socket, and a 7/16 drill bit. Please note the overhead console and overhead console harness are required for this kit to work. Next, we'll install the brackets on the light bar. It's important to note that our installation will have the brackets facing outward to utilize the existing holes on the roof. Loosely secure the hardware to the light bar. Repeat for both sides. With the brackets loose on the LED light bar, we'll now use our 7/16 drill bit to drill a hole for the wire connector to go into the roof. If you already have a roof installed, you need to remove the 2 outer bolts that secure the roof. Once those bolts are out the way, approximately 1.5 inches inside the interior bolt, you'll drill a hole. We've already drilled this with our 7/16 inch drill bit. You need to repeat this for the driver's side and the passenger side. With the hole drilled, route your wires through the hole. Place your LED light bar on the roof. Use your button head screw and utilize the existing holes in the roof. And secure with nuts. We'll use our connector kit to build the end of our connector and connect to our overhead console harness. Secure with your wedge lock. Now that you have your wedge lock securely in place in your connector, you'll connect your connector to the overhead console harness. Make sure to check the labels on the harness to ensure you're connected to the right position. Place your switches through the overhead console. Connect to the harness. Tuck all your wires behind your harness and securely mount your overhead console to the machine. This completes the installation of your lights. For more information on the CAT UTV, visit cat.com or your participating UTV CAT dealer.